Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this edition of Leica Geosystems Tool News. I'm Greg Capitano, your Disto product specialist, and today we're going to talk about how the S910 can make light work of capturing the rafter length of this very tall vaulted ceiling. What we would traditionally do is take a measurement using one of our lower end distos, where you place the disto at one end, point A, and measure to point B and capture that distance. As you can see, some of the factors that we're looking at here today is the fact that I have to be on a 10-foot ladder. Many trades professionals have multiple tools hanging off of their belt, and I also am still not able to get up close to that ceiling, the corner where the wall and the ceiling meet, to capture the distance with the disto with the traditional measuring method. So what I'm going to do today is show you how the S910 using the point-to-point technology will allow you to take fast, easy, and accurate measurements, all from the safety of the ground. All right, so now that I'm safely on the ground, I've got my Leica DISTO S910 Pro Pack. And if you want to come take a look at this, I'll show you what's all included. It only takes just a minute to set it up, but it comes with the TRI 70 tripod, comes with the FTA 360S adapter, which you simply just spin this on to the tripod. Has a charging cable, some other accessories for different wall receptacles, and of course the S910 with the black nylon holster. So I'll take my S910, I'll unlock the encoder, the little arm that comes out of the back, and that's what gives it that point-to-point technology, is this little encoder. So I'll take it, I'll screw it on to the tripod, place it in the cradle of the FTA adapter. It's fastened. I'm going to raise up my tripod to my level, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to hit function, and then using the touchscreen, I'm going to press on the P2P, this tool right here, and I have a leveling icon right here. And so if I want to get all of the three-dimensional data, which would give me the slope distance of the rafter, it would give me the horizontal distance, and the vertical distance, I would level up my disto, or I can simply just go in and take 0.1 and 0.2 to capture what's called a tie distance without leveling. To show you the max functionality, I will level up the disto, and I will show you all of the measurements that it will produce by leveling up the disto. So I'll just click on my level, and I'm going to turn up the disto to level it up. It has a digital level inside, and as long as it is within plus or minus 3 degrees, it will auto level itself. So it's a 3-step process. And the final step all right, so now I'm level. I have my green leveling bubble icon in the top of the disto screen, and now I can start with 0.1. If I was outdoors using this, I would press this blue icon, this blue key here, the camera icon on it, and that's for using it outdoors when the laser would be difficult to see. But since we're inside, we can easily see the laser, and so I'm just going to press the touchscreen to start the laser, turn on the laser, and then we're going to get it close by turning the disto by hand on the FTA adapter, and then using the fine-tuning knobs, we're going to align it precisely into the corner. Once I get it in the corner, I'm going to press the screen again to take that measurement. And it's telling me that I am 27 feet 2 inches from that corner. Now you press the measurement button again here in the middle, and it says 0.2. So now I'm going to take my laser, rotate it up to the top of the vaulted ceiling. I get it close. I use my FTA adapter fine-tuning knobs. Align the laser, press the button again to take the measurement. And now if you look at my screen, you'll see that the slope distance is 17 feet 8 inches. You'll see that the horizontal distance from the corner of the wall, if you were to draw a line horizontally perfectly level to the point of the apex of the roof where I took the measurement, it's 15 feet 10 inches. And then it will also tell you from the corner of the wall where I took the measurement that the second point was 7 feet 10 inches higher than where I took the first point. So that could be some helpful data to use when you're taking your measurements. But the main point is, out of this demonstration, is to let you know that the S910 can keep you safely on the ground. You don't have to use a ladder, and it can save you time, money, and effort, and give you accurate measurements. Thanks for watching this edition of Leica Geosystems Tool News. If you'd like to find out more information about the DISTO product line, please contact your local Leica dealer, or feel free to go to lasers.leica-geosystems.com. I'm Greg Capitano, your DISTO product specialist, and I'll see you next time.